Hi guys, I want to show you how I got rid of my acne. I used to have terrible acne on my face. I don't know how it happened, but I just got it. What I used was just basically what you can find in your kitchen. Alright, so my acne used to be like this before, and now I'm like this. Glory. So first you'll be needing a fresh garlic. Why is garlic good for acne? Garlic has an antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, antiseptic properties from allicin. Allicin helps to kill bacteria causing acne. It also helps to reduce swelling and inflammation and also improve blood circulation. Second you'll be needing is your fresh juicy tomatoes. Why do you need tomatoes? It will reduce the blackheads and reduce pimples on the skin and also reduce the black skin cell, and they are great for acne and also good for balancing your skin. They are also good for lightening dark spots. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's dive into this concoction. First you need your, like I said, your tomatoes, fresh one at that. Then you'll be needing your garlic. As you can see, mine is so fresh. Then all you have to do is just cut them into pieces. The reason why you are cutting your tomatoes is for them to be able to blend properly when you want to blend them. So then you take a piece of your garlic. I like to have my garlic, I like to feel it in my concoction, so I added just 2. Yeah, so you just get this 2 and cut them into pieces, and there you go.
You're blessed, can you hide it? Oh yeah, show me, this your blessing, where you put it. So this is my...
We are done with our blending, and this is what we have. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you right now. You can see the consistency is just there. Yummy. Yeah, so that's what we have. So here is our concoction. I call it concoction, but it works like magic. So I just want to show you something. This is my face. I used to have pimples here, my forehead is still there, and here, kind of. But this has helped me so much with this. It's really cleared right now. I'm super excited about it. See, it's cleared. So I'm just dealing with this one here. Even though it's a bit dried, it's getting dried too. So yeah, that's what I used. So what you do is either you use a brush or you use your hands. Personally, I use my hands. So yeah, so just rub it gradually on my face. So I'm not going to apply here because it's not, there's nothing here to apply, so there's no need. And in case you have acne, sorry, you're going to have some hot sensation, so just expect that. It's normal. It's just a way of saying it's drying up. Those pimples, acne, and all that. So here, this way I have here. I also have on my nose. Yeah, on my nose. So all I do is I just wait for like 10 minutes. I'll wash my face with water. But here guys, I want to say this so that you can understand it very clearly. I would recommend that you use a facial brush to wash your face, because when I started before, I wasn't using a facial brush, so I didn't really, the effect that I got was so slow. But when I started using my facial brush, it made it a lot more easier. That's why I had this quick face, clear skin here and here, and yeah, this actually helped me a lot. So I bought this at from Amazon, so you can also get this. I'm going to leave the link below so you can purchase yours. It's very, very affordable. It's cheap. You can get it. This is like magic. Like, I love you, darling. You saved my life. So guys, you need to get this for yourself. It's pretty cheap. I'm going to leave the link below so you just order yours, and yes, that's simple. So time to wash the face. You're going to see result within 2 weeks. First week you're going to see result, but maximum 2 weeks you're going to see result on this. All right guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be dropping more of home remedies that you can use for your skin care. Bye for now, and don't forget to drink your water and mind your business.